Okay, so for this question, it says the table below represents a proportional relationship between the number of fries to the number of hamburgers. And then we need to drag and drop the responses to complete the table. Okay, so if you have 2 fries, you're going to have 6 hamburgers. Okay, so right there I can see, okay, well, how did I get from 2 to 6? I times it by 3. Okay, so the pattern I could have is times 3. Well, let's look here. 6 times what can get me close to 12? Well, that's times 2. Second times 2, so this could be 4. But if I do 2 times 2, that doesn't give me 7. So the pattern you have to make sure applies for each one. Just because you find the pattern for one of the squares, that number or that operation has to work for all of them. So you're going to be asking yourself, how'd you get from 2 to 6? And you would say times 3. So if you're going to go to 12, you're not going to times 3. You're going to ask yourself, what times 3 gives you 12? And you would say 4. Okay, so you're going to 7, and then you're timesing 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. But this time you're going 30 to something. 30 to what? Well, 30 to what? 30, not times 3, but what times 3 gives me 30? You would say 10. Okay? So that's what you would do for those. But now that I placed them in as text box, I'm going to delete that so you can see what I'm talking about. And you would put your 4, you would put your 10, and then you would put your 21 as you drag them to their spots. Okay, so that is your equivalent ratio table problem.